Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
Abu Wa'il al-Qas says that when we went to Muhammad ibn Sadi, a man's conversation there made him angry. He got up and performed wudu. When he returned after performing wudu, he said, "My father told me that my grandfather narrated from Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that anger is from Satan and Satan is created from fire, while the fire is extinguished with water. So when one of you gets angry, he should perform wudu." Allahu la ilaha illa huwal hayyul qayyum la ta'khudhuhu sinatun wa la nawm lahu ma fis samawati wa ma fil ard man dhal ladzi yashfa'u indahu illa bi idhnihi ya'lamu ma bayna aydihim wa ma khalfahum wa la yuhituna bi shay'in min 'ilmihi illa bima sha'a wasi'a kursiyyuhu as-samawati wal ard wa la ya'uduhu hifdhuhuma wa huwal 'aliyyul 'azim. Allah, there is no one to be worshipped except Him, the ever-living, the sustainer of all existence. Neither drowsiness overtakes Him, nor sleep. To Him belongs whatever is in the heavens and whatever is on the earth. Who is it that can intercede with Him except by His permission? He knows what is presently before them and what will be after them, and they encompass not a thing of His knowledge except for what He wills. His throne extends over the heavens and the earth, and their preservation does not tire Him, and He is the most highest, the most magnificent. آمن الرسول بما أنزل إليه من ربه والمؤمنون كل آمن بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله لا نفرق بين أحد من رسله وقالوا سمعنا وأطعنا غفرانك ربنا وإليك المصير. The messenger has believed in what was revealed to him from his Lord, and so have the believers. All of them have believed in Allah and His angels and His books and His messengers. We make no distinction between any of His messengers, and they say that we hear and we obey. We seek your forgiveness, Ya Allah, and to you is our final destination. لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها لها ما كسبت وعليها ما اكتسبت ربنا لا تؤاخذنا إن نسينا أو أخطأنا ربنا ولا تحمل علينا إصرا كما حملته على الذين من قبلنا ربنا ولا تحملنا ما لا طاقة لنا به واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا أنت مولانا فانصرنا على القوم الكافرين. Allah does not burden a soul more than its capacity. It will have the consequence of the goods it has gained, and it will bear the consequence of the sins it has done. Ya Allah, do not catch us if we forget or make a mistake. Ya Allah, do not lay upon us a burden like that which you laid upon those before us. Ya Allah, do not burden us with that which we have no ability to bear, and pardon us, and forgive us, and have mercy upon us. You are our protector, so give us victory over the disbelievers. وَقُلْ رَبِّي أَعُوذُ بِكَ مِنْ هَمَزَاتِ الشَّيَاطِينِ. And say, My Lord, I seek refuge in you from the whispers of the Satans. وَأَعُوذُ بِكَ رَبِّي أَنْ يَحْضُرُونَ. And I seek your protection, my Lord, from their presence near me. وَإِمَّا يَنزَغَنَّكَ مِنَ الشَّيْطَانِ نَزْغٌ فَاسْتَعِذْ بِاللَّهِ إِنَّهُ سَمِيعٌ عَلِيمٌ. And if there is any whisper in your heart from Satan, seek refuge in Allah. No doubt He is the hearer and the knower of everything. Amr bin As radiallahu ta'ala anhu narrates that Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to read this supplication before entering a masjid. أعوذ بالله العظيم وبوجهه الكريم وسلطانه القديم من الشيطان الرجيم. I seek refuge in Allah Almighty, His gracious face and His everlasting kingdom from the accursed Satan. When a person enters the masjid and recites this supplication, Satan says that he is now safe from my evil for a whole day. With that being said, this is the end of our video. Let's meet in our next video. Until then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.